Chapter 14, question 72. The decomposition of hydrogen peroxide is catalyzed by iodide ion, which is over here. The catalyzed reaction is thought to proceed by a two-step mechanism. So a catalyst is what we have in the reaction at the first step and what we have out at the last step. And as you can see, this is not changed, and this can go through the reaction again and again and get out without changing. So let's write the chemical equation for the overall process at first. So what we're going to have is, let's write the left-hand sides all together. H2O2 plus I minus plus IO minus plus H2O2. And let's